Hey folks, got a 2013 Subaru Outback here. Customer complaint is the headlight is out. Low beams, both sides. So in order to change the bulb, you could do one of two things. You can remove the front bumper and take the headlights out. There's a bolt over here. There's a bolt over here. There's two bolts in the front over here, and I think there's one on the side over here. You have to take the bumper off. Otherwise, you can go through the wheel well, take the wheel off, take a bunch of clips off this panel, and look underneath there, right on top. Dun, dun, dun. That is where you're gonna get to the bulb. All right, so you're gonna have to go through this little access panel, move the little hoses out of the way, move the harness out of the way. You can stick your hand in there, okay? And you're gonna take the little gray cap off. This is what the gray cap looks like this. All right, so if you can grab this cap and twist it like that, lefty-loosey, it'll come out. It only has to turn a little bit of a tab. If it's on here for as long as this one has been there and you have a hard time getting it off, good thing is that you can grab it from the, you can't grab it, but you can see it from the inside. Right behind the battery, right where it goes, you can see the clip. You can get a little screwdriver and just give it a little pry. And you want to do is you want to try to turn it. Same thing on this side. The passenger side, same thing, you can see it right there. Worst case scenario, you get a little screwdriver in there and just give a little push and start the, well, it's going to push it down. Going to start the left turn just like that. And you get it out. All right? So, I'll show you where I grabbed it. It's over here, like this. You can see a little marks over here with a little screwdriver. Okay? What I did was I took a screwdriver, like this, leaned it up against the battery, and I gave it a little turn. Once you give it a little turn, then it comes out and you take it out from here. Okay? All right, folks. So we got the new bulb in from AutoZone. Remember, it only goes in one way. There's a little notch on the bulb. So the notch is on towards the left. Okay, that's where I have it. Just the phone is going in out over here. All right. Place that in, put that little clip in there. It's a spring clip. Pushed it in, pushed it down a little bit, and then up, and it locks right in place. All right, so now we are going to plug it in and see if it works. Let's do it. There it is. Once it's plugged in, put the rest of the wheel well back together with the wheel. These are the bulbs that I use from AutoZone, Silver Star Ultras H7s. Looks like that's what they used before. Looks like the same color. And if you look closely, you can actually see that the filament is burnt out. Yeah, little gap here on the left. All right, so yeah, out the door. One low beam is done. Time to do this side now. Same thing, wheel well through the top to get the cover off, and then through the bottom. That's what we got to do. Seems to be the best way instead of taking the bumper off. All right, thanks for watching.